Hey there, moms and dads! Imagine a world where your kids grow up to be honest, trustworthy, and full of integrity. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today, I'm here to show you how to make that dream come true in a fun and interactive way. First off, honesty and integrity start at home. Set an example by being truthful yourself. Kids mimic what they see, so be the role model they need. Now, let's make it fun. Try playing a game called Truth or Tale. Sit in a circle and take turns sharing a story. At the end of each story, everyone guesses whether it was true or made up. Not only is this super fun, but it also helps kids understand the difference between truth and fiction. Next, incorporate honesty into daily routines. When your child tells the truth, especially in tough situations, praise them. Positive reinforcement goes a long way. You can even create a rewards chart for acts of honesty and integrity. Stickers, anyone? Another great activity is role-playing. Create scenarios where honesty is key. For example, what should they do if they find a lost toy at the park? Discuss the options and let them act it out. It builds their decision-making skills and reinforces the importance of doing the right thing. Books and stories are also powerful tools. Read stories that highlight honesty and integrity. Discuss the characters' choices and outcomes. This not only makes for great bonding time, but also instills these values. And remember, mistakes are part of learning. If your child slips up, use it as a teaching moment. Talk about why honesty matters and how they can do better next time. So, are you ready to raise a generation of honest and trustworthy kids? Give these tips a try and watch the magic happen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Kitty Kingdom Dominion for more educational videos. Until next time, keep nurturing those little minds.